Heartbreaking, saddening update coming in from the Doda regions. This is after the encounter that the death toll has increased for men in uniform. The death toll has increased and risen to 5 now, which means 4 soldiers of the army and 1 Jammu and Kashmir police personnel as well. Another soldier, in fact, is critical and has been rushed to Udhampur Army Hospital, which means that there have been right now 4 men of the army, 3 soldiers, 3 jawans, 1 officer and 1 cop of the JKP, because this was a joint operation of the RR and the SOG of the Jammu and Kashmir police. Highly skilled, highly trained, experienced in this in Jammu and Kashmir, but perhaps a reminder of the kind of evil designs that Pakistan is pushing through against Indians. Sunil is joining me for the latest. Sunil, it's heartbreaking to give this update. But again, so much courage that these men are showing to ensure they go deep into these forests to try and neutralize these terrorists who have found loopholes in these natural caves.
We are losing precious lives of our security personnel. We are losing precious lives of our soldiers. Our soldiers are making the supreme sacrifice of their lives. And in this particular anti-terror operation, in this encounter also, our brave hearts have made the supreme sacrifice of their lives. They have attained Veer Gati. And that is why questions are being raised by security analysts also, that how long we are going to suffer like this, how long we are going to face this terrorism, because now it's proving to be a major challenge and we are losing precious lives, and it can't be business as usual. We need to impose heavy costs on Pakistan, because we carried out surgical strikes inside Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir. We carried out airstrike deep inside Pakistan in Balakot, but Pakistan hasn't still learnt its lessons. Pakistan continues to sponsor terrorism against India. That terrorism that emanates from Pakistan continues to bleed Jammu and Kashmir, and our brave hearts are losing their lives. Families after families are getting devastated. They are losing their loved ones, and this definitely calls for a thorough review of the entire security management. There needs to be a new strategy needs to be formulated to deal with this new wave of terrorism. Hectic parleys, hectic meetings have taken place in the recent past, and security meetings have taken place where the top officials from the army, police have been brainstorming on this issue, that how to formulate a strategy to deal with this new wave of terrorism in the hilly areas of Jammu region. And this definitely calls for a thorough review of the entire security management. And some, operation like Operation Sarp Vinash needs to be launched. That's what security analysts are saying, because terrorists have managed to infiltrate in large numbers. They are hiding in the upper reaches of Doda, Kishtwar, Rajouri, Poonch, hilly areas of Udhampur, as well as hilly areas of Kathua district. And the fear is that the terrorists may be able
because
to
I'm
spread
constantly
their
getting updates. It's absolutely heartbreaking. But these brave men have taken the risk, have chosen to be at these borders to defend against these terrorists and evil designs of Pakistan. And a reminder to anyone who wants friendship with Pakistan to know what they want for Jammu and Kashmir, and once they are done with that, to venture further into the Indian territory. We are told that these terrorists tried to escape after the encounter, and one of the reasons that these men went after them even in these difficult hilly and mountain terrains. The latest information and the big breaking news that I have coming in from the Doda region is that the gunfight that ensued for several hours through the night, that the officer among 4 soldiers who has been killed in action in the Doda encounter. The encounter took place between when the troops of Rashtriya Rifles and SOG JNKP launched a joint cordon and search operation in the forest belt of Desa. It's 55 kilometers from the Doda town. So imagine the forest, hilly terrain that this is. And despite challenging terrain, thick foliage, they led a firefight into the woods during the night time. 5 soldiers critically injured, later succumbed. Thank you for your service, men who have shown extreme courage. And they are our protectors and defenders. till their last breath. Sunil, as we continue to bring these details coming in from Doda region, of course, there's a certain pressure that is building up, and rightly so, at the government at the centre about what is going to be the strategy. Till when can this continue? Because Pakistan will want disturbance in Jammu and Kashmir. That's always been their game plan. But we'll also have to ensure that there shouldn't be casualties on our side. What do you think is building up? There's a political pressure, political showdown, and clearly a security review must be on the cards as well.
Well, pressure is, as you rightly said, pressure is, mounting on the Modi government that there has to be an effective response to this terrorism that is affecting Jammu and Kashmir these days, particularly the hilly areas of Jammu region. Many security analysts are of the view that we need to inflict heavy costs on Pakistan, and only after that Pakistan is going to learn its lessons. But we are losing precious lives of our soldiers. Families after families are getting devastated, and terror attack after terror attack is taking place in Jammu region. Terror activities have increased, and this definitely calls for a thorough review of the security management, particularly in the hilly areas of Jammu region. The security agencies are trying their level best to, formulate a new strategy. They have been able to bust the network of overground workers to some extent in some areas, but still the overground workers' network continues to flourish. That's a cause of worry, and the terrorists and their handlers have been able to reactivate their resources. They have been able to reactivate their overground workers in the hilly areas of Jammu region, and that is why terrorists are able to carry out these attacks with impunity. These dastardly terror attacks are taking place, and then these terrorists also manage to flee. And our sources in the security establishment say that their overground workers, the overground workers of terrorists, not only provide them logistic support, they also make them aware, they make them familiar with the hilly routes, that they also help them in escaping from the terror attack spots. So these are,
and the fact that people of Jammu have been for years raising that there are suspicious movements, there are these suspicious settlers that are in these border areas. What is being done? Perhaps it's time that to listen to the people of Jammu right away who have been confronting these terrorists too. Thank you, Sunil, and stay safe and continue to get us the latest on that. And a reminder for the viewer watching, remember that India consistently has focused on peace and prosperity in Jammu and Kashmir, and Pakistan has consistently focused on disturbances, massacres, deaths, and it wants it again in Jammu region. And a reminder of what we are dealing with as our neighbor nation, Pakistan, that it is.